Checking your transaction history on eBay is essential for tracking purchases, sales, and overall account activity. Follow these simple steps to access your transaction history. Step 1. Sign into your eBay account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength check, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once signed in, locate your account icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Account Settings. Step 3. Access Purchase History. In the account settings, look for the Purchase History option. Click on it to view all your recent purchases and transactions. Step 4. Review Selling Activity. If you want to check your selling transactions, go back to the account settings and select Selling or Sold Items. This will show you all the items you've sold and their transaction details. Step 5. Filter and Download History. You can filter your transaction history by date or type of transaction. If you need a record, look for an option to download your transaction history as a CSV file for your records. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your eBay transactions. Regularly checking your history helps you stay organized and informed about your buying and selling activities.